Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day, and as you know we are heading towards the end of the month and the market was very challenging from last few days, but as a being an intraday traders, how we managed to bank amazing pips through live intraday analysis. Let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we can see our bias was short. We have squeezed all these pips. If you haven't seen my previous analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So today, as mentioned yesterday, that we have this early sign of rejection. So as I mentioned even yesterday analysis, the possibility price might gonna come back and then reverse. So we had it the short trade at the Asian session. We also had a London morning session long trade here, and we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you the entries, how we analyze the entries and exit that in intraday system. If you look at here, and let me make it slightly bigger. As you can see here, this was the this was the analysis I did at the Asian session. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken. As you can see here, price developed another beautiful short trade. Technically, price went and hit this level. You can see here, it went down from here to here. That's from here to this red pip channel. So most of the traders banked few pips. At the London morning session, as you can see here, in 4 hour, the price reverse. And if you look at the intraday system, that's what we explain through live analysis. Then look here, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's the high probability of reversal. And if you look at the price develop false breakout, did not respect this level. That's we have this beautiful long trade here, another pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level and the final target profit in our intraday system, that's what we explained to my traders. Time to enjoy some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade in the London morning session, and we were expecting another pattern. Look for another pullback. As you can see here, once we have impulsive reversal, I said to my guys, still there's a possibility of price might going to break, but let's figure out. So we already had this breakout previously, so technically we were expecting another pullback here, but the safest trade, as mentioned to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, that's the breakout, this is the breakout. So I said if the price is going to break, then probably going to be considering as a pullback long, otherwise continue short. As you can see here, price broken after the breakout, price retest, momentum was bearish, so we had a beautiful short trade even in London morning, amazing profit. And at the New York session, you can see here price developed some sort of like a consolidation. We had this breakout consolidation, which we technically came out at the break even, and afterwards we had as soon as the price reversed impulsively, I say guys, look for another breakout if the price gonna break the previous high, which technically developed a false breakout. We also had this breakout bank few PPs. As you can see here, within this small movement in 4 hour, how we squeeze beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, and if you see the 4 hour chart, yesterday we also had a beautiful short trade here. As you can see here, the price respected. We had a long trade here. We also had a short trade here, and at the New York session we also had a long trade here. Let me explain to you how we analyze market in intraday. And if you look at here in intraday, this is, let me share with you the okay, so this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade here. We're watching this level, price nicely broken, nicely hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips. And at the London morning session, if you look at here, once the price basically respect the previous low and reverse in 4 hour, we look at our intraday system, pretty straightforward. We have inverted head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken this previous recent high, as you can see here in the system, and retest. That's the give us the technically we were looking this pattern breakout, price nicely broken and nicely hit to the first target, which is basically around this level. Beautiful long trade this morning, and after banking some profit, we look for another pattern. As you can see, exactly more or less the same pattern like Euro USD, price reverse, and this is the level we were expecting. and this level, which is previously price respected, as you can see here, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price did not break this level because our bias was bearish. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Once the price broken and momentum developed bearish, that's what I explained to my trader. Just keep taking a pullback short trade here, and as soon as the price respected this trend support line in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade in the morning, and also beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips at the New York session. As you can see here, price developed this falling wedge, and that's the sign of reversal. That's what we're expecting. We are expecting my traders look for another possibility of counter long trade here. Price nicely broken, as you can see here, and beautiful as mentioned. Always you can see the first target with the fib channel, which is coordinate with the resistance level. Bank amazing profit on pound dollar. We had amazing trade on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, we had, let me share with you the intraday analysis. This morning we had a short trade here, and I was expecting, as mentioned, looks the price retested previous high, and I was expecting price might gonna continue, but as you can see here, price nicely respected. We have this short trade here, bank few PPs. As you can see here, let me share with you the intraday analysis. This is the analysis as mentioned in this morning. I say, guys, look for this breakout, price nicely broken and beautiful, nicely hit to the profit target, which we explained to my traders. Time to bank some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback. But what happened after that, if you can see here, price developed impulsive move. We didn't have any pullback. So I say, guys, just leave it. Let's look at the New York session. As you can see here at the New York session, we were expecting for the news for dollar, because we were expecting this breakout as consolidation. So we have pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see here, price nicely respected, and I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have a beautiful breakout short trade here and bank few PPs, and still some of the traders are still holding short. As you can see here, we have this breakout and breakout. After this breakout, we also had just recently now pullback is performed. All right, guys, as you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday system, and how my traders bank amazing profit every single day. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and the banking profit in real time. That's the most interesting part of it. But if you are struggling in Forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live audio commentary support, with the live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my traders every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast trade growing trading community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.